guys, it's your girl ARIE B. In today's video, we're going to be working with Beautyforever hair. This is one of my top 5 companies. I probably got more than 5. I feel like it's more than 5. But this is one of my top favorite companies. I was sent, of course, this bomb ginger color wig, 20 inches. But I decided to like cut it to, I guess you can say this is 16. This is like 16, I guess, on me. Yeah, because 18 is like above my butt. Yeah, so this is like about 16 on me. So 16, 14 because I'm short. So this is about 16, 14 on me. But like I said, I was sent 20 inches. Y'all already know Beautyforever hair is bomb. It's so bomb. I love it. It's so soft. It's natural. I feel like this is a natural look for me. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm this close. I'm this close to coloring my natural hair this color. I saw somebody on my explore page on Instagram with this hair color, and it was with their natural hair. I wanted it so bad, but I already know I'm not going back down that road again with my I'm not going back down that road again with coloring my hair. If I do color it, it's either gonna be blonde or red or this color. Like, it's gonna be a one-time color thing, and that's it. Like, that's it. I'm in love, y'all. I'm really jacking this hair. I love this color on me. It's something about this color. Like, it's just something about this color on anybody. Like, anybody. This color is bomb on anybody. But if you guys are interested on how I got this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. I feel like I don't know how long I'm gonna be shadow banned on YouTube, but y'all, I was so close to like just not recording that on no more. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I was this close. Like, I was this close to not recording anymore. But I'm like, this is only temporary. I'm not gonna be shadow banned forever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.